Are you weary of constantly battling acne? Acne, those pesky pimples and dark spots that seem to pop up at the most inconvenient times, is a common skin condition that affects individuals across the globe. It's more than just a physical issue. It can take a toll on your self-esteem and overall quality of life. But remember, you're not alone in this fight. Millions, yes, millions of people are in the same boat, grappling with the same skin condition. Acne is a complex issue caused by a variety of factors from hormones to diet, and it's not always easy to manage. But the good news is, there are numerous ways to prevent and treat it. From over-the-counter creams and prescription treatments to lifestyle changes, you have an array of options at your disposal. In this video, we'll delve into what acne really is, its causes, and how to combat it effectively. So, let's embark on this journey towards clearer skin together. So, what exactly is acne? Well, to put it simply, acne is a skin condition that occurs when your hair follicles become plugged with oil and dead skin cells. But let's delve a bit deeper. Underneath your skin, there's a whole lot going on. Each of your pores is connected to a sebaceous gland, which produces an oily substance called sebum. This sebum helps keep your skin hydrated and healthy. However, when there's too much sebum, that's where things start to go awry. Now imagine this. Your skin is continually renewing itself, shedding dead cells. Usually these cells rise to the surface and flake away, but sometimes they don't. Instead, they stick together inside the pore, creating a kind of plug. This plug traps oil and bacteria inside the pore, leading to inflammation and the formation of a pimple. Acne isn't a one-size-fits-all condition. It comes in a variety of forms. There are whiteheads, which are pores clogged by oil and dead skin cells, appearing as small, white bumps. Blackheads are similar, but the surface of the plug is exposed to the air, causing it to darken. Then we have pimples, which are raised red spots with a white center that develop when blocked hair follicles become inflamed or infected. Lastly, cysts are a severe form of acne. These are large, painful, pus-filled lumps beneath the surface of the skin. So what triggers this overproduction of sebum and abnormal shedding of skin cells? There are several factors, including hormonal changes, stress, certain medications, and even your diet. And while acne is most common among teenagers, it can affect people of all ages. But here's the good news. Acne is treatable. It might be a stubborn adversary, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can fight back. Now that we understand what acne is and what causes it, let's explore the various treatment options. First up, let's discuss over-the-counter treatments. When it comes to battling acne, you've got a wide array of over-the-counter treatments at your disposal. These options are readily available, and they can be a great first line of defense against those pesky pimples. One of the most common ingredients you'll find in these products is salicylic acid. This powerhouse works by helping to clear out the pores and reduce inflammation. It's a beta-hydroxy acid, which means it's oil-soluble, allowing it to penetrate into the pores and break up the clogs that cause acne. Salicylic acid is often found in cleansers, toners, and spot treatments, making it a versatile choice for your skincare routine. Another widely used ingredient is benzoyl peroxide. This active ingredient works by killing the bacteria that lead to acne. It's a particularly effective treatment for inflammatory acne, which includes those red, tender, and swollen pimples. Benzoyl peroxide can be found in various strengths, from 2.5 to 10%, allowing you to choose the level that works best for your skin. Then there are retinoids, another over-the-counter option. These vitamin A derivatives work by promoting cell turnover and preventing the buildup of skin cells that can lead to clogged pores. They're often found in creams and gels and can be used as a part of your nightly skincare routine. And let's not forget about sulfur. This ingredient has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions, including acne. It works by drying out the skin and absorbing excess oil, which can help to reduce the appearance of pimples. While these treatments can be effective, it's important to remember that what works for one person might not work for another. Everyone's skin is unique, and the key to clear skin often involves a bit of trial and error. So, give these over-the-counter options a try, and with a bit of patience and persistence, you'll be on your way to a clearer complexion. Aside from products, there are lifestyle changes that can help manage acne. Now let's talk about some of these lifestyle changes. First up, maintaining a healthy diet. What we eat has a direct impact on our skin health. Foods high in sugars and fats can trigger inflammation in the body, which in turn can lead to breakouts. So it's crucial to incorporate a balanced mix of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your daily meals. Don't forget, hydration plays a key role too, so make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Next up, regular exercise. This might seem unrelated, but it's actually quite important. When we exercise, we increase blood circulation, which carries oxygen and nutrients to all parts of our body, including our skin. This helps to repair skin cells and regenerate new ones. Moreover, sweating during exercise helps to unclog pores and remove toxins from the skin. Just remember, it's important to cleanse your skin after a workout to remove sweat and prevent it from clogging your pores. Now, let's touch upon the third key lifestyle change: stress management. It's no secret that stress can wreak havoc on our skin. When we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol, which can lead to increased oil production and inflammation, both of which can trigger acne. So it's critical to find effective ways to manage stress. This could be through meditation, yoga, reading, listening to music, or any other activity that helps you relax and unwind. Another important lifestyle change is getting enough sleep. During sleep, our bodies repair and regenerate skin cells. Lack of sleep can lead to increased inflammation and excess sebum production, both of which can contribute to acne. So make sure to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. And lastly, let's not forget about the importance of proper skincare. It's essential to cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize your skin regularly. Use products suitable for your skin type and avoid ones that can irritate or dry out your skin. Also, never sleep with makeup on, as it can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. So there we have it. 5 key lifestyle changes that can help manage acne: maintaining a healthy diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and practicing proper skincare. Each of these changes not only contributes to better skin health, but also improves your overall well-being. Remember, it's not about quick fixes, but about making long-term changes that can bring about lasting results. It might take some time to see improvements, but the wait is definitely worth it. By incorporating these changes into your daily routine, you can not only manage your acne, but also improve your overall health. Remember, the key to success with these creams is patience and consistency. It may take several weeks to see improvements, but stick with it. As always, it's a good idea to patch test any new product to ensure it doesn't cause irritation. Remember, the perfect acne cream for you depends on your skin type and the severity of your acne. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and treating acne. From the root causes to the varied treatments, we've covered a lot of ground in this video. We started by delving into the world of acne, learning about its types and the factors that contribute to its formation. Knowledge, after all, is the first step towards finding solutions. We then explored over-the-counter treatments, highlighting their accessibility and effectiveness. From benzoyl peroxide to salicylic acid, these common ingredients have proven their worth in the battle against acne. But treatment is just half the battle. Preventive measures and lifestyle changes play a crucial role too. We emphasize the importance of maintaining a healthy diet, keeping stress levels in check, and following a regular skincare routine. After all, prevention is better than cure. Yet, as we conclude, it's crucial to remember that each person's skin is unique. What works for one might not work for another. Hence, it's always wise to consult with a dermatologist before starting any new treatment. They can provide personalized advice based on your skin type and condition, ensuring the most effective treatment plan for you. We've armed you with the knowledge, but the power to act is in your hands. It's time to take control, to stand up against acne, and to reclaim your confidence. With the right knowledge and tools, you can conquer your acne and regain your confidence. Remember, you're not alone in this journey.